Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to optimize YouTube videos for SEO. So basically all you have to do is to create a YouTube account, a YouTube channel, and then you have to do first the keyword research. So pick a target keyword people are searching for. Best tools includes YouTube search bar, TubeBuddy, vidIQ, Google Trends, SEMrush. So basically you just have to create an account here. I have my account in TubeBuddy, but I'm going to show you how to use vidIQ. So in vidIQ you have to create an account first. You can just connect your Gmail or Google account, and then here, once you have selected your tool, what you're going to do next is you have to look for target keyword. For example, how to make YouTube thumbnails that get clicks. So number two, you have to use the keyword in your video title. Make the title clear and click worthy. So let's try this. As you can see, this is the result. And the result is low. It means only a few people use this keyword. However, if you're going to use how to make thumbnails, as you can see, it has high rate right here. So you can just basically just how to make YouTube thumbnails, use that one, and then remove the other word. Now you can write an SEO friendly description. So if you want to create a video, you can start with in this video, you will learn how to start or how to make YouTube thumbnails from setup to optimizing your first upload. After that, you can use relevant tags. So basically, if you want to create a YouTube thumbnail, you can use a tool, for example, Canva. And then after that, screen record everything, make a tutorial, and then upload it. Create a good title, variations, related searches, and then use relevant text. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.